Here at Blaze, we're building tools to help your small business make more money online. With Blaze's AI native Visual Studio, you can create all the content your business needs: social media posts, product photos, landing pages, and more, all in your unique brand style. Blaze creates beautiful one-click content for you in seconds. Just add your Instagram or Facebook account and Blaze automatically detects your brand's colors, fonts, and visual vibe. With a custom brand voice from Blaze, every piece of content resonates with your customers. Blaze helps you stand out on social media. You can use it to create original AI images and captions so you always have eye-catching content to share. With Blaze, you never have to start from scratch. You can choose from thousands of professionally designed templates so your posts always look amazing. Best of all, Blaze can schedule up to a month's worth of content for you. Blaze keeps everything organized on a sleek content calendar and posts straight to your social accounts automatically, so your message always reaches your audience at the perfect moment. Save time, build your brand, and grow your business faster with Blaze.